Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we'll discuss about mute yourself. Mute yourself with Zoom Toolbar Part 1. With the Zoom Toolbar Part on. The Zoom Toolbar makes it simple. The Zoom Toolbar makes it simple to mute yourself. Mute yourself. And the process is essentially the same. And the process essentially the same for both the PC and mobile app. For both the PC and mobile app. To mute yourself on Zoom, first step, once you are the Zoom call, click or tap the mute button. Click or tap the mute button. In the button left corner. In the button left corner. The mute button should change. The mute button should change to a crossed out microphone icon. To a crossed out microphone icon and say unmute. Microphone icon and say unmute. This unmute button indicates that your microphone has been turned off. That your microphone has been turned off. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.